Hi, today we are going to learn how to draw a lotus using flip option. So for that, take curve tool, put it from the center and make it like this. Now we have to do the down part. So half of our lotus is ready. Now we are going to use the property flip. For that, you have to select your lotus, then copy, paste, go to rotate. Here you have to use the option flip horizontal. Now I have to join these two shapes. Before that, you should do transparent selection, then only you will be able to remove the background. So now you can join this. Now we are going to fill color inside. So I would like to get a pink color. For that, I'm going to edit the colors and I'm selecting the pink. So if you want to adjust you can use this color, you can use the slider here. So then after that, click OK, then fill color inside your lotus. Now for the stem, I'm using a line tool with the green color. Here I'm increasing the size of the line. Teachers can use this activity when they teach flip option to their children. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Have a nice day.